All right. Welcome back, everyone. It's me again, TeamWithERVING. We are gonna do a quick session of how to trade multiple time frame. Also, I'm gonna be showing you the new system. I mean, not the new PDF where you guys gonna help you out of how to trade the system with our rules. So we're gonna try to keep this very simple, straightforward to the point, so you can understand the system a lot easier. All right. So title, go live anyway. Let's go live. All right. So let me go ahead and quick. If you guys want to unmute yourself, let's go straight up to the point here. I don't know if you guys have any questions, I can be more than happy to help you out with any question that you may have.
If you guys want to unmute
Hold on.
yourself, let's go straight up to the point here.
All right, so I was live on YouTube, guys. All right, so hold on, let me make sure I mute that one before, because this is my first time going live. All right, there you go. All right, so pay attention here, guys. The new PDF is ready, so I'm super excited for that. Hopefully, it will help you guys understand the system much easier. Let me go ahead and bring the PDF so you can see it. Oops. Let me see here. Multiple. Here it is. Multiple time frame. I'm gonna show it to you in a second. Here it is. All right, here's the PDF. So if you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the chat room. So I'm gonna pin it in our chat room so everyone can go ahead and print it out and kind of save it if you guys want. But basically, what we're looking for here is we're looking for the 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly to determine what is the master trend. So I kind of like circle in there and type it in there. 4 hours, daily, weekly, monthly, boom, master trend, master trend, master trend, master trend. Very simple to use. And here, I'm telling you guys, if you guys are gonna be trading against the master trend, we know that that is called a pullback. So if you still, because trust me, even if we tell people not to trade pullback, they're still gonna do it anyway. So please learn how to grab 20 to 30 pips, because that is very dangerous. Otherwise, if you don't do that, what is gonna happen is you are gonna be blowing your account. So at the end of the day, is if stay with the rules. Only trade market that is bullish or either bearish. And then, as you guys know, we all zooming in here from far away to determine what the master trend is doing. For instance, here in this picture here, we had the master trend here using our multiple time frame. It's telling us the market is in a bearish position. And look at here, brothers and sisters, the signal come in, signal. This is what we want, trading with the trend. We want to avoid all this pullback. You guys will see it. Fortunately, let me see if I can blow it up. There you go. Look at here. Brothers and sisters, pullback, PV, and so on and so on. And here also, look, when, for instance, in this example here, the multiple time frame is telling us the market is in a bearish position. This is AUD JPY. So what we have here, we have the brothers and sisters doing a pullback. We know it's a bullish market, but it's doing a pullback. So the question here is, do we need to enter in a market? Obviously not, because the market is still pushing up. There's no indication, there's no multiple time frame arrow showing us, okay, we need to go down, so stay away. Here's another example. This is going bullish in favor of the master trend. Look at here. multiple time frame says, okay, let's go bullish. So this is what we want. We want this guy here. This, look at here, brothers and sisters, come in. If you just want to enter, guys, go in here on the 4 hour. Here it is. Boom, boom, boom. I highlight it for you. Very simple. But trade only when the market is going on your favor, not against you. Because here it's telling us, okay, market is pushing down, right? And then it reconfirmed the market is going in a bullish market. So boom, it is there. And then you can guys get used to it, drawing the blue box, put your horizontal line if you wish, and then move to any lower time frame. So we are gonna be using the lower time frame only for our entry. Do not worry about it, what's either 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour is doing. I don't care. Since I already know that what's going on with 4 hours to a month, I know that the baby time frame has to perform the same way. So in here we had a bullish market, right? We had only the 4 hours here going in direction of the market, the master trend. So all you got to do with it, entering here, and boom, you would have bank 118 pips in your favor because you are trading with the trend, not against the trend. That's what the money is, guys. The money is always on 4 hours, daily, weekly, monthly. That's it. All right. So here's a recap. We know we use the 4 hours. We use the red line. The daily is our yellow. The weekly is our white. The monthly is our blue one. Always check for the news. Here on the beginning of this PDF here, it tell you this is what I use here, guys. I use my FX book. You can go there and get used to it. Always check the news. That's rule number 1. So rule number 2, automatically, as soon as you bring your template, it will put you on rule number 2. Then you're gonna ask yourself, what is my brothers and sisters doing? Is it going in the direction of the trend or not? What is the real time 4 hours doing? It's that simple. And then you enter in any lower time frame. This is the 3 questions that we need to ask ourselves no matter what in this business. We need to ask ourselves, what is our monthly trend telling us? Right? Is it bullish or bearish? Then you need to figure out what is our brothers and sisters currently doing. Is it doing a pullback or is it going with the trend? Once we know these 2 answers here look, we're doing this as a sniper. So we're looking this from very, very far away because we're zooming out all the way. Then we need to ask our last question. What is our current real time 4 hours doing? If it's bullish, it's bullish. So I'm gonna pin this in there so you guys can see it. For instance, let's see a Euro CHF. This is Euro CHF, right? Let me go ahead and do this. Look at here. Boom. Everyone is telling the market is clean, doing a bullish market, nothing else. So first question is, what is our multiple time frame telling us the market is doing? So market here is in a buy position, right? Then the second question is, what is our real time brothers and sisters doing? Let me put this in a different one. Boom, here. So the market is still doing what? It's doing a buy position. So this is how you need to figure it out on the market. And the last question you need to ask yourself is, what is our real time 4 hours doing? Okay, it's here. Look at that. It's right there. So let me make a different circle. Let me make a circle now. Right here. So the market in that position is a bullish market. So we have, so this market here, Euro CHF is 100% in a bullish market. All right. So we're not seeing any pullback, nothing like that. That's all the 3 rules that we need to figure out. From there, you can do whatever you want. You can zoom in however you want. You already know what's going on with the market. Let me delete this so you will not get confused. Look at here. Now you can blow it up however you want. Actually, look at here. This candle here has not closed. So we can say now that we're seeing a clean, this one is still closing as a pullback. So bullish doing a pullback real time. So what we need to do is let's wait for this candle to close. Then we can determine what's the real trend is doing. But it's that simple, guys. When the brothers and sisters come in, all we got to do is ask ourselves what is our real time for hours doing, and that's it. But this is simple, man. When it comes like that, look at here, brothers and sisters, boom, pop in there, pop in here, same thing in here, and go on. So we know the market is going up. That's what we know right now. All right. So I'm gonna give you the guys the PDF, print it out. If you guys have any question, we can do another session. So just to try to answer you any of your questions that you may have. And I think someone asked me about NCD JPY. Someone asked me, Irving, what do you think is the master trend doing on this one? Well, let's look it up. Let's look it up. We're here live, right? So here, the question is, what is the multiple time frame telling us the market is doing? It's telling us clearly the market is in a buy position. To be honest, sometimes I just don't understand why people ask this question. Irving, what is the multiple time frame doing on NCD JPY? This is the reason why they don't understand, and they're gonna keep getting confused. They're gonna make this so complicated, chat, because they're doing it. This is what they're doing. They want to figure out what the market is doing by blowing the candle all the way up. How can you know? There's no way, no one in our group that is going to be able to tell you exactly what the market is doing if you blow up the candles this far out. Remember, we need to see this like a sniper, right? So in here, rule number one, boom, multiple time frame is bullish. Rule number two, what is our brothers and sisters telling you? This is what I just went over. Real time, right? I know this will look good on me if I tell you, oh yeah, market did this and this and that. I don't care about that. You're not gonna make money on this. Question is one, two. So this is doing a what? Let's do it right. This is doing a pullback. So now the question here is, do we trade pullback? I don't want to trade pullback. If I trade pullback, I'm going to make sure I grab 20 to 30 pip max and boom, get out. Get my money, move on, reinvest it in another pair. But if you don't know how to trade pullbacks, just don't do it, because this, like I always say, guys, this is bad business. What you want, this is what you want. Let me delete this. All right, pay attention. This is what you want. You want to trade in your favor, in favor of the multiple time frame. Telling the market is bullish, just go bullish. Only look for this opportunity here. All this opportunity here. Look at here. That's what the money is, guys. The money is on the larger time frame, going in favor of your master trend. We trade here using 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. I don't care what these guys are doing. Whatever these guys are telling me the market is doing, all this baby time frame have to follow direction. Because if we go to any lower time frame, trust me, you're gonna get confused. And please look up the market this far up. This is the only way that it's gonna make your life easier. All right, and the EA is pretty awesome, guys. I was taking some real trade on my real account. I don't want you to trade in your real account, to be honest, but I was doing on my real one. It's kind of scary, to be honest, when an EA take the order for you. So I was monitoring it, and so I was closing the entry as I was making money. But to be honest, I make over $300 today just on that EA. So it's not bad. So, but yeah, man. So hopefully you guys, this will be easier for you guys. But finally, uh, the PDF is done, ready to go. And I want to give a shout out to KP for helping me out as well. But look at here. This is the US peso. This is my favorite pair, guys. And so, another trader sent me a message. I don't want to pick on no one, guys. This is the opportunity where you guys need to come here, ask questions, and I can help you out. But they said, Irving, when you go live, can you explain us how you do it from the beginning to the end? So now the PDF is up. So all you got to do is print it out, read it, go over it, analyze the market with, it has pictures. It's telling you step by step. First question, what is our multiple time frame doing? One, it's bearish. Second question, what is a real time brothers and sisters doing? Boom, it's doing a pullback. Third question, what is a real time for hours doing? Boom, it's doing a pullback. Right? So now the question is, do you want to trade this? Let's zoom out because I think this is a bearish already. Yeah, it's still in a buy position. So it's not clean yet. So it's still in a pullback. So what I will do here, I will wait. I don't see any clean indication yes to say, okay, we need to go as a sell. So it's not a good thing. Okay. Look, New York is gonna close in what, 6 minutes, 5 minutes? Then we're gonna go to Sydney. Sydney is the worst time to trade, guys. Never ever trade Sydney. I mean, the market will move very, very slow, but it's there. And guys, the month of September is gonna be a lot of sales. In my opinion, just look for sales, guys. Plus that we're going through elections, so look for sales. All right. So let's go ahead, open questions and see if you guys have any question. And if not, then we're gonna cut off the video, okay? All right, so Ali, you got any question, Ali?
I have been no question at the moment. Thank you. Yeah, just tuned in late. Sorry, just got home now.
Okay, so I'm gonna be giving you guys the PDF as soon as we finish this. I'm gonna pin it into our Telegram group, and then you guys can print it out and study. Okay. All right, Mike. What's your question, Mike?
Hey, Irvin, how you doing?
Good, good.
Good. Okay. Once the brothers and sisters show up in the direction of the master trend, do I wait for one candle to close?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Always pay attention for that candle to close. For instance, here, right? What's going on here?
It looks like it's a pullback.
Right. That's you answered. You answered the. You went from 1 to 3. Give me an order. What's the first one? What's your?
Master trend is bullish.
Right. Second question.
Second question is the arrows are pointing down, which would indicate a pullback.
Yeah, that's brothers and sisters. And third
Yes,
question.
sir.
Third question has to be your 4 hours.
Okay.
Yeah. If this is good, if it's brand new, first hours is always gonna show up first, and then the daily is gonna show up later. So, but we're looking for 1, 2, up to 3. That will confirm it. But right now, this trade here is, I don't like it. We know we're doing a pullback, obviously.
Right.
Sense. Don't trade pullback because pullback is bad business. Look at here. All the newbies would it be like, oh yeah, it says there is a sell. Let me go ahead and enter in a sell. No, we know the market here is what? It's a bullish. That's why it's still pulling up more and more and more. And now all this is not valid. Look, it came and retested all this new high here. So yes, I will. If I had to analyze this, I would say yeah, market would drop, but we need more verification. We need more dots in here in order to be doing the pullback. But when I do this, guys, this is what a lot of people also ask me, Irving, how come when you do YouTube, you always tell everybody, okay, the market is gonna go up, the market is gonna drop, and so on and so on. Because I mean, they don't know what you guys know, so they just know the basics. So if they're interested, they can join us. But this, I mean, you guys get everything. They just don't. Okay. But hopefully, the PDF will help you out, to be honest, Mike. But congratulations, dude. You are doing amazing. I'm very proud of your success. So super proud of, man. Keep it up. Stay to the rules, and I see that it's paying you. It's paying you.
Thank you, Irving. Can you take a quick look at Euro USD?
I love that one, man. I make tons of money today on that one. Look, this
That 100 and something pip spike blew me away.
Look, I would not lie to you guys. This, for some reason, this is what I did this morning. This was crazy, man. I pulled, I think was like 7 position here, going back as a buy. Boom. And then a spike out all the way. Boom. I didn't even know if I wanted to exit out. And I took my money all the way here. And then I stayed there for a bit. I was super happy. And then I said, you know what? It has to correct it. It will drop. And then I put more position here coming down. Boom! It hit that. And I get out on this candle right here. And that was it. So this candle hit, I ate both ways. Buy and sell. Beautiful. Even the EA took the order on this. Oh my goodness, it was crazy. But yeah, this was good. But the question here is, I mean, you know, rule number 1 is always check the news. So here, it looked like we are in a sell position. All right, so based on this, but it's not clean. Actually, I should have answered for you. But it's, the entry here is not clean. So what are we missing here? We're missing these guys here. This is what is gonna happen because August is almost over, guys. August is almost over, so we come into September. So this monthly here will shift and relocate it in here. So now we're gonna have 4 hours daily, weekly, and monthly going in continuation on here. Let me put this in blue. Where's the blue one? Blue. It's gonna go like that. Then we will know the market will be in a bearish position. Okay. If it continues. Can you update on Go? Okay, let's see what Go is doing. I think Go is doing sell. I just don't remember. Where's Go? Oh, Go is a good one. Pay attention to this one, guys. I don't know if you guys knew. I think I've been saying this for a long time anyway. Oops. Look at here. Market been bullish for 2 years, guys. Look at here. July 29, 2018. Let me change this in white. This cannot see it on here. Look at here. Market been bullish since July 29, 2018. So we are on August, basically September, right? As the week is over. September 2020. So over 2 years, the market gold has been bullish. What is the month of September is going to happen? Remember what I've been saying, guys? September is going to be a lot of bearish. I'm not predicting that. I'm just, I read that and that's what history shows. But this is what I think is going to happen now. Look at what is forming right now. It's forming a what? A sell. But right now, we will translate this one as a pullback because we know the market is still in a buy position. Let me go to 4 hours. I was on a weekly. Look at here. This is not clean. This is not clean. Look at here. Everything is nice and sweet in here. Look, 4 hours, daily, weekly is there. Even the magic arrows standing in this there. Then what are we missing here? We're missing this guy. This guy here, this monthly, is gonna be here. It's gonna be here for next month. Then yes, we're gonna be looking. Most likely, what we're gonna see here is a lot of correction. Most likely, it's gonna come back and retest our main entry here, all this multiple time frame here, and then market will drop down. So if I had to say the market is gonna do that, most likely it's gonna do that. It's always gonna correct it and make it stronger, that drop. So yeah, but start looking for sales, guy. Plus, yeah, I mean, if you want to make your Christmas money. But Michael, hopefully that answered your question. But a market, in my opinion, still in a buy position.
Okay. Yes, it did, Irving. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. I don't see anything here. Look at here. This signal here is good. It tells the market was bullish. 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 Right now, real time. Yeah, right now it's doing what? It's doing a pullback. Right? So, and it's retesting all this area here, all this support here. So it's sitting in a very strong area. Look at that. Very strong. So yes, what may drop here, more pair here, more candle, then spike up. That's when the month of August is gonna show up. Sometimes I like gold, sometimes I don't. But we call this move. We call this move here. We also call this move here. That was it. And this is brand new. Now I'm gonna analyze this market on Saturday. I'm gonna tell the market is gonna be, if I still have see that it's still in a bearish position, I'm gonna tell you it's gonna be a bearish position, then it's gonna pull back. But yes, but it's retesting almost mid 23 to our 0 Fibonacci. Look, it's sitting in a very high area here. All right, good. Any other question, guys? I just wanted to keep this one sweet and short. Sarah, you got any question? Who else? Melvin, you got any question?
Yeah, Mr. Eva, how are you?
Good, good. This is, yes.
I meet Ali. He is helping me really a lot.
Oh yeah, the PDF will help you more then.
It is, and yeah.
Just print it out, go over. It's very straightforward. It has, you know, it will tell you exactly what we're looking for. I trade with rules. This is, I mean, that's the direction of the money. Money is on 4 different time frames. Remember, this is the direction of the money. 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. That's it. We don't have 6 months. Even if we would have 1 year, I still would analyze 1 year. But we don't. The most we have is 1 month. And this is your baby time frame. This should be only 4 entries, nothing else. Okay. Mr. Elliott, it's your turn. Your last question, then we take off.
Hey, Irv, how you doing, buddy?
Good, good.
Can you pull up the Audi Canadian chart for a second?
Well, okay, this is a good one.
Okay, so this is something that's confused me because what I do before I even hear your Sunday, you know, your beautiful Sunday video is I plot the master trends and then listen to your video and to double check that I'm doing it correctly.
Right.
So, in the AutoCAD, you had it as bearish.
Yeah, it's bearish. Okay.
Well, here's my problem. Here's my problem with that. If you go back to the last time the market changed direction, you had all your arrows in a row, which was I guess March 2020. You had your 4-hour, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly. On my chart, and it could just be my chart, I see the blue dots, so the monthly is there, and then I have the magic arrow, which means the daily's there, but I don't see 2 other arrows, so I didn't think that was a change in direction.
That's a good one. That's a good one. I like that. So yes, so this is clean, right? This is what
Yes,
you were
sir.
talking about.
Absolutely.
So, and this puts you in what? In a Dow, right?
Right. So I didn't trade it.
Okay, good. Now, let's go to real time. That's good. I love it. This question is good. That means that you are doing your homework correctly. So let's zoom out. So since we don't see the what, so explain this this one to everyone. What's the market doing, and why you are in Dow in this one? Because this is a good question.
Okay, well, I'm looking as you taught. I'm looking for the 4 arrows in a row, in order to determine the master trend, and then that tells me what direction I want to trade in. Now, on this one, I see the 4-hour, the 1 day, and the monthly must be hidden behind it because there's blue dots. So I see 3 arrows, unless the other one is hidden behind the other 2 arrows. I don't know. But I'm missing the weekly there.
That's
So I didn't change direction. Now, my brothers and sisters are in a bullish mood. And the most recent now 4-hour is in a bearish.
So remember, I want you to watch the PDF. When you guys,
there's a PDF. I didn't know there was. Where is it?
You showed up late?
I did. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I just gonna send it to all of you guys. I'm gonna pin it into our chat room.
Oh, super.
Yeah, I want you guys call this pullback. Right? That's what it is. We know it's bearish, but pullback means a stop sign. You need to be careful.
No, for sure, for sure. But the only thing that, since I didn't see all 4 arrows at the top telling me that it was bearish, it confused me.
Mm-hmm. So is this one a good one or a bad one?
Well, if we're if the master trend is bearish, then that's a pullback.
Yeah, based on what you just told us right now. So what is this one? Is it in favor of the trend or going against?
Well, it was in favor of the trend I thought it was, but going back to the last one, it's in favor of the trend. But if up at the top there, where the blue arrow, where the blue dots are, is a legitimate change of master trend, then that's a pullback.
Right. Good job. Good job. You did it great. That's it.
Okay.
So you and Dow, look, a lot of traders, they get mad. They get mad at this and go like, Irvin, but why is the weekly missing? Dude, if the signal is not clean, just move on to a different one. You got plenty of trades here to trade. Why you want to get an end? Why you want to figure out why is this one doing what it's doing? Look, if it puts you in Dow, move on to a different one.
That's exactly what I do. That's why I didn't take any trades on that currency, because I was unsure of the master trend.
Yeah, just keep it simple.
Yes, sir.
It's like a tune-up. You need to do tune-up to your mind, to your brain. Every single trade that you do it's a different. It's real. This business is. If you don't know what you're doing, guys, this will blow your account, and then you're gonna be mad. Then you're gonna be like, "Oh my gosh, she didn't listen."
Well, you see, the almost the most masterful part of your new system, which always was a problem for me, is that you can determine exactly what the master trend is. And so there's no question. Like I used to have a question like, is it going up? Is it going down? Which way is it going? And I'd look at all different time frames, but now there's a very specific thing to tell you which way the master trend is going. And that's part of the beauty of the system.
Right. That's good. So just keep it simple, but you're doing great. That's a good one.
Thanks.
All right. So any other question, guys? If not,
It's
well,
Ovid.
this is Mr. Shatter. Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Oh, yes, it's Cass Ovid. Yeah, I still need my thing setting up properly. I don't think it's setting up properly because I still not seeing the magic arrow and everything like that. And every time I try to change it, it's still reverting back to whatever color it is there. So it
Oh,
was
you
supposed to.
just put all the colors in magenta.
Yeah, if I change it into magenta, it's still if I come out and go back in, it's just reverting back to whatever color it is there. I think it's yellow or something like that.
Did you save the template?
Yeah, I have all the templates that I sent to you.
I mean, I don't want to show it to everyone here, but let me.
Yeah, I have all them. We were supposed to do a thing today, but I don't know if it was busy. Then I sent you a message today.
Oh, this is the MA. Hold on. Let me see if I can bring it up. Magic arrow. Let me take a screenshot. Just bear with me.
No, I have the video that I had the video that you with the installation of the video. You know, I have that one, but
Okay.
it's not popping up as like with the magic or anything like that.
So this is what you need. Look. Put all the colors to magenta.
Yeah, I put all of them to that, but it's still reverting back to whatever setting it is set as.
That's weird.
I think it's theirs red and green and red and blue. Blue and red, I think is theirs.
What broke? Are you in United States?
No, I'm in the UK.
Yeah, I'm gonna remote your PC after we finish this session, and I'm gonna take a look at it.
Okay, all right.
Because
Yeah.
my goal is to see every one of you guys to make money.
Yeah, because even with the dashboard, I think I'm missing out as well because with the dashboard, I think sometimes I enter trade late and stuff like that. So with the dashboard might have helped me a little bit as well.
Yeah, I will fix both. I will fix even I'm gonna put the dashboard as well.
Okay.
And then I will fix everything.
All right.
No problem.
Thank you.
So that's good that you connect yourself. All right.
Yeah,
so,
yeah. I'm glad being it because I always see the videos and I never have a shout out to say when it started, but I see it pinging just now and I just jump on as well. Thanks very much.
All right, no problem. All right, guys. So thank you again for coming in one more time. So I'm gonna go ahead and pin this PDF into our group, print it out, go over. If you guys have any question, ask the question in the chat room. And then next week, pay attention to this week analysis, but look only for sales, guys. Start looking for sales the month of September and make money going down. Look at gold. Gold has been going up for over 2 years. So it's time to take a break. Market has to take a break and come down. So we'll see what the analysis is gonna tell us, okay? So, all right, guys, so thank you again. God bless you and God bless the United States of America. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.